What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the total market cap as well as a BTC chart that could mean the bear market is over. You guys, we're going to be covering a lot of really cool stuff in today's video, so make sure you stay clear to the very end, as well as hitting the like button and the subscribe button if you appreciate and enjoy this content. You guys, without further ado, let's get straight into today's chart that could mean the Bitcoin bear market is over. So starting with the cryptocurrency total market cap, we're going to be covering a very, very important fractal here today. On the bottom, we can see the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and on the top, we can see the total cryptocurrency market cap. Now, the reason why I'm showing you these two charts is because human psychology does not change. We're always the same. We're impulsive naturally by nature, and so we make a lot of choices without thinking. We do a lot of things just out of impulse, and so because of that, those patterns, those impulsive decisions show up on the charts. Now on the bottom here, we can see that the Dow Jones is very similar to the cryptocurrency total market cap. So this market cycle down here was the expansion and the contraction that happened during the Great Depression. So pre-Great Depression, we had what was called the Roaring '20s, and then we had the actual Great Depression that came, of course, started at 1929. Now on the top here, we can see the cryptocurrency total market cap and how it also did a market cycle back here in 2017, 18, and 2019. So this is a very, very similar human psychology playing out in these charts. Now, as the price starts to climb in the industrial average, we can see it making higher highs, higher lows, breaking out above the peaks that it formed before the Great Depression, and then it made a megaphone pattern here. So this is called a bullish megaphone pattern. And actually what you can see here is that the cryptocurrency total market cap has also made a bullish megaphone pattern. So these charts are extremely similar. Now, the cryptocurrency total market cap includes your altcoins. So this isn't just one coin. This is all of the coins inside of the cryptocurrency space. That means that if this chart turns around, your altcoins as well as Bitcoin will turn around in value and start climbing. So this drop here that we've recently seen in the crypto space, it was a pretty intense correction, especially if you've never been through any cryptocurrency type corrections. This correction caused a lot of losses in my portfolio and a lot of investors' portfolios throughout this corrective period. However, it's still following human psychology perfectly. The market has not changed its big picture trend. Now, if we look at what happened to the Dow Jones, we actually had a full recovery from that correction that it did inside of that bullish megaphone pattern. And after that bullish megaphone pattern broke out, bullish meaning it's going to rise in value, you can see that the Dow Jones went into a huge parabolic move. And parabolic means that prices are rising faster and faster and faster and faster. They continue to climb, and actually the Dow Jones has been in a bull market ever since that day. So the similarities between these two charts tell us what the whales are doing. Are the whales taking buying actions here? This chart tells us that they are. This means that your favorite altcoins, some of them being down significantly from their peaks could reclaim their previous highs and continue in their bull markets. Whenever you guys are investing, it's really important to play the trend, be buying dips inside of uptrends. As you can see, anybody that would have became bearish on the Dow Jones expecting lower prices during its bullish megaphone pattern would have missed out on all of the growth that came afterwards. And so when the big picture trend is up, the best thing you can do is to buy dips within that trend. This has me personally very excited about what's coming across the board inside of the cryptocurrency markets, from Bitcoin to your favorite altcoins. And speaking of BTC, if we pull up the BTC chart, we can actually see a very, very similar thing going on. Bitcoin is also shockingly similar to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Again, we see the same human psychology playing out in these charts, with a very clear bullish megaphone pattern on Bitcoin as Bitcoin came down and tested major horizontal support. This chart alone could mean that the recovery we see in the cryptocurrency markets happens a lot faster than what some people are telling you it will. And actually that the opportunity is now to be buying the dip in these markets and to be taking advantage of other people's panic selling and fear. If you want to be a good investor, you need to learn how to play the trend, stop fighting trends, and start buying dips. It seems so straightforward and so simple. The truth is, it takes a lot of confidence to buy the dip and actually take advantage of that opportunity when you see it. It's easy for us to say, oh, I would buy the dip. I would totally buy the dip when it comes. And then when the dip actually comes, what do you really do? And so by using these charts, by understanding the human psychology, you can position yourself and you can take advantage of the best buy zones in this market on a regular basis. So I'm excited, you guys. We have a lot of growth coming in the cryptocurrency space. We have a lot of projects to be choosing from, to be picking from, and to be investing in. So my suggestion for you guys today is to look at this market through the lens of opportunity rather than the lens of fear. As you guys do that, you will start to see the results of profits coming out of these markets. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. If you're ready to change your life and start understanding these markets better, I did make the VIP to create a community where people can come together. The reason why I made the VIP is so that you guys don't have to go through the same work I went through over the past 7+ years, gathering the best information, knowledge, and tools that investors are using all around the world to profit in these markets. That way you guys can just go to one easy-to-use place and source of all of your information and knowledge you need to start profiting on these markets. So you can learn from my charts, you can learn from my videos, and you can learn from our community on how to regularly profit in the crypto space. So join today if you're ready to change your life. We have 3 different options: the 1 year, the lifetime, as well as the mastermind option, which is my new product, my new course, helping you guys in live sessions every single Saturday learn this stuff as well. So apply for that below if you're interested in the mastermind, or check out my lifetime and my 1 year packages and start making money in these markets today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you guys in future updates. Happy Friday, everybody. And as always, stay profitable out there.